3, 2, 1. How y'all doing out there today in the Jamestown, California? The State of the Union show, the radio show, a simulcast. You can check out all my links at youtube.com, Jamestown, California, Jamestown, North Carolina, and my new show on Jamestown, Washington. Right now we have 3 channels that we're working diligently and perseverantly on. On this channel we're going to be doing the Lakers report, starting off with Gasol, a 26-point effort. Kobe Bryant with 31 points. The Lakers win 106-97 versus the Bobcats. That's 3 in a row, making it a 6-2 out of the last 8 games. The Lakers back in business. Gasol, the force in the NBA now, an excellent pickup. And it's going to be interesting to see not only if Shaq could make his free throws, not only if Shaq could get in shape, because eventually by playoff time he will be in shape, but if he will be able to run up and down the court with Gasol, who is a very good player. And Gasol used to hurt the Lakers when Shaq was on the Lakers. So now Kobe and Gasol, a force. 26 for Gasol, 31 for Kobe. That's going to get it done. The Lakers win 106-97 versus the Bobcat. This is the Orange County Register right here. We're going to give you a quick picture of Kobe Bryant. And Kobe is just one of the top players right now. Of course, we already know that. We're going to go over the box score right now. Odom 8 points, Romanovich 8 points, Gasol 26 points, Fisher 6 points, 31 for Kobe, and Farmer with 10. That's going to get it done. Also Turioff with 10 points. Very hustle team all around. Phil Jackson has that team on all cylinders. And without Bynum in the lineup, when Bynum comes in, that team is going to be dangerous in the West. I look forward to seeing crunch time. The Lakers have an opportunity to go all the way, whether they play LeBron James or the Celtics. Lakers, Cavs, Lakers, Celtics. Lakers have an opportunity to beat any team out there in the West. Right now, the Mavericks, Spurs, and Suns, Utah, and the Nuggets, all the top teams. Good teams out there right now in the NBA. Very good competition. Phoenix 36-15, Lakers 34-17, 2-game difference, and Golden State 31-20, 5-game difference in the Pacific. New Orleans is a surprise in the NBA, 34-15, Dallas 34-17, a game off, San Antonio 33-17, a game and a half, and the Houston Rockets out of nowhere 31-20. Don't count Yao and T-Mac out. Utah 33-19, Denver 31-19, Portland 28-23, 4.5 games out of first place. Now to the Eastern Conference, Boston 39-9, a